we have behind me is located right in the heart of North Peoria. We have some wonderful amenities we definitely want to tell you about. If you're one of those that loves to actually go outdoors and wants to do some mountain biking or some hiking, this location of this house is located 5, 10, maybe even 15 minutes for some of the major trails that we do have here. We're also located 20 minutes away from Lake Pleasant. So if you like to get on the jet skis, or if you actually like to have a boat or even have a slip for your houseboat, this is definitely going to be one of those wonderful locations. And we also have plenty of space in the backyard where you can actually have some RV parking and actually park your boat as well. In addition to that, you're located 10 minutes away from what we call the Four Corners, which is Lake Pleasant and Happy Valley. You're gonna have all your major shopping centers there. You're gonna have your Lowe's, your Home Depot, you're gonna have your Target, you're gonna have your Home Goods, major furniture stores, everything that you need in order to make sure that you are close and have proximity to all of the details of actually being a homeowner and making sure you have access to all the wonderful restaurants and food, fun for you and for your family. Some of the last amazing features before we go inside is that this is actually on a county island. There's no HOA and you're in a cul-de-sac. So if you're one of those that's really looking for a cul-de-sac home and you really want one of those big robust lots, this is definitely going to be a home for you. Let's follow me on the inside and show you why this house is going to be the right fit for you. Come on. Alrighty guys, welcome to the inside. We have 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 4,900 square feet, just shy of an acre. But before we continue to the house, just look at these beautiful doors. We have 12-foot doors. I think it was custom actually made for the property. This is one of my favorite features as you walk in. As you see, we have a very vaulted ceiling here, a very expansive look to the actual home. But follow me over on this side because we're going to take you into the first living room that they have. So this is a very wonderful communal space. As you can see, the family has been doing a wonderful job here. They have the piano where they enjoy themselves. I know they have wonderful times with their families, making some wonderful memories. On this side over here, we're going to continue into the formal dining area. As you can see, we have a beautiful, beautiful table here. Plenty of time if you want to have your family dinners, if you want to do Christmas, if you want to do Thanksgiving. But the most favorite part of this house that I actually love is going to the kitchen. Follow me on this way. Alrighty guys, welcome to the kitchen. As you can see, this kitchen is beautiful. It is stunning. If you really want to make sure you have wonderful meals here with the family, this is definitely where you're going to do it. You have upgraded cabinetry, you have upgraded countertops here as well. Welcome like this beautiful farm sink, which gives you still access to have a beautiful view of the pool and the backyard. And then from here, it's going to take you on into the another dining area that we have here for the family. And then we have a second living room here. If you want to watch TV here, if you want to make sure you have your family meetings. And in addition to that, we also have one of 2 fireplaces that this property actually offers. This is where all the magic happens. This is where you're going to spend the majority of your time with you and with your family. So having this wonderful space is definitely going to be a nice add, a nice warm and fuzzy feel, and a nice addition to the actual overall aesthetic and the actual presence of the home. But follow me into the backyard because that's going to be one of the highlights of this entire property. Alrighty guys, welcome to the backyard. Again, one of my favorite features of this actual home, and you are just shy of an acre when you come out here. And what I mean by that, it's 0.9 of an acre is what you're gonna actually have here within the backyard and the entire property. But you have a wonderful pool here. It's in great condition, great shape. As you can see, the pool deck is in wonderful shape as well. We do have a spa over here. And if you like to swim in the wintertime, this pool is actually heated. We do have a propane that's on the back here that you get refilled. And then another cool feature of this is that you actually have a basketball court. This basketball court can actually be doubled as a tennis court, or if you're a pickleball player, you actually can do all the lines on it. You can actually play your pickleball, have fun with the family. And even another cool feature is that this home and this seller specifically has actually hosted weddings in this backyard, okay? If you're looking to make an additional income, or if you want to make this an income property, that's definitely something to think about when you have a beautiful backyard that just has a wonderful presence, a wonderful aura, just a wonderful energy for actually hosting a very special moment of a wedding of your choice. All right guys, welcome back to the inside. We're going to show you the rest of the home, which is going to also be the lower level and the top level. But before we do, just let you know, as a reminder, we do have a half bath right here. And then we also do have our pantry on this side. As you can see, this pantry is absolutely massive. So if you have a big family, if you want to put all your appliances, this one's just used for decorations at this time. This is definitely going to be one of those items that you're really, really going to love. But follow me down to the lower level because we want to show you where a majority of the bedrooms and the bathrooms are going to be, and it's going to be the right place for your family. Everybody, welcome to the second level of this home. What's very special, what's very unique about this is that we actually have 2 master suites on the second level alone. We're going to take you into the primary. Here's going to be your main master bedroom. Wonderful size, and then here's that second fireplace that I was actually telling you about. Another wonderful feature here as well is that you do have another roof deck here on the outside. So if you're looking to have a wonderful breakfast or a wonderful coffee, or just enjoy the sunsets or the sunrises, this is definitely a place where you want to be, put some furniture and have a wonderful time. One thing that we really love about this is that we do have his and her walk-in closet. So we have our walk-in closet on here, and then we have the bigger walk-in closet on this side. And if you follow me, just take a quick look on the inside of here and see just how expansive it really is. You have section 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you want to break it up into winter, spring, summer, and fall, you definitely have a section for all of those. This is just why we call this the wife's closet or the mother's closet, because you have enough clothes for every season. Now we are making our way into the master bathroom. So we have a double vanity here, we have our toilet room here, we have our walk-in shower here, and we have our tub here as well, which is a jetted tub. So if you're looking to take that additional bubble bath and making sure that you relax, this is definitely where you want to do it. And you also have the option if you want to do a shower as well. But follow me back down to the lower level. We're going to show you where the majority of those bedrooms are and where you can actually have fun with your family. All right, everybody, welcome to the lower level. This is exactly where all the fun happens. If you have a big family, if you have more than one kid, this is definitely going to be the space where you want to have and hang out. We're in the lower level, and we're going to show you the majority of the rest of the rooms. So here we have our guest bedroom number 3 on this side. It also has a walk-in closet. We're going to have our third bathroom on this side. So we do have a double vanity, we have a linen closet, we have a walk-in shower on this side. And then follow me down the hallway again, and you will see that we have another guest bedroom here. And then we also have our 4th bathroom here as well. And then another guest bedroom here, another in here as well. And then this one also has probably like the biggest master closet that you can really see here. Let's come on and follow me on this side. So here is definitely where you can do all kinds of wonderful things. If you want to build out this closet even further, obviously there's tons of storage here if you want to do games. This is a very family-oriented home. So if you're looking to make sure you have all of your activities down here, or if you're like me, you just want to make sure you have a good, wonderful spot for all the kids to hang out, play, bring their friends over, or have movie night, this lower level is where you're going to have all of that kind of fun and have all these options, especially for the family. I want to really make sure that we are able to put a wonderful family in this home, because this home has been very special to some close friends of mine for a very long time, and we want to make sure that it goes into the hands of a wonderful buyer. Thank you so much for following me on this tour, guys. Again, if you have any questions or you want any more details about this home, make sure to reach out to me at info@joshzuniga.com. Again, info@joshzuniga.com. All my information will be in the description below. But until then, we'll see you on the next video. Take care.